Good morning, Jeffrey Cornwell here again at Merino Performance Motors. Today I'm going to do a video walk around on our 2022 Aston Martin Vantage in orange. This is our 2022 Aston Martin Vantage. The car is in outstanding conditions, as one would expect with the super low miles. This is a very rare color. I'm going to just do a quick circle around and then I'll do some close-up on each panel. I don't think there's really a whole lot I can point out on this as far as imperfections, as it's in great condition. The entire front clip of the car, the bumper, the whole bonnet, this is all covered in PPF film, so there's no rock pecks anywhere. You can see the black trim down here on the lower part of the lip is all in really good condition. Looks like I might have one small rock peck on it right here that's on top of the clear bra on the PPF, but other than that, everything's great on the front of this car. We'll move over here to the driver's side. You can see on the wheel, no curb spots. Going down the side, no dents, dings, or scratches. Same with the door, no dings or scratches. Lower black rockers all in great shape. We'll come back here to the rear fender. There is a area of PPF that goes from right there. It goes from here down to here. Got one small rock peck here. On top of it, actually, that may not even be a rock chip. That may just be dirt. You can see the rear wheel here. No curb spots. Take a look at the top. No dings or scratches. Come here around to the rear bumper. No dings or scratches. See, everything's just really super nice. Take a look at the rear diffusers. They're not all banged up or scratched up like you can typically find on these. Come around here to the passenger side. Rear fender, no dings or scratches. No curb spots on this wheel either. Going down the door, no dings or scratches. Video turns out a lot better when it's in the shade like this. You get this car over in the sun and this paint just really pops. Take a look. I didn't show. We'll go over and look at the mirror on the other side here in a second. Actually, it is PPF'd. Let's go take a quick look at this side. I forgot to look at it, but everything's good on this mirror as well. It too has got PPF on it. I'll go back over here to the fender. No dings or scratches. Again, it's all PPF'd. I think, yeah, even this whole piece here is all PPF'd as well. No curb spots on the front wheel. Take a quick look at the top from this side. All really good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the car and do a quick startup. Pop the accelerator a few times in the different modes so you can hear the sound. Let's take a look at the interior. The interior on this car is in outstanding shape. It's like brand new, as you would expect with only 2,000 miles on it. Got no bolster wear on the seats. Got no issues with the top dash pulling or shrinking. You can see the exact miles are 2011. You can see engine revs nice and smooth as it should. I know you can't tell in the video, but I can tell you here that the air conditioner is blowing very cold. Take a look here at the controls on the center console. Everything's nice. The center dial controls not scratched up like you see on a lot of these. Run through the screen a few times. Got navigation. See, here we are on Okeechobee Boulevard in West Palm Beach, Florida. Scroll out. See how close we are to the ocean. Got a little too far there, but we're about 3.5, 4 miles to the ocean, give or take. Radio. Vehicle controls, you can see all this is working as it should. Look at the rear here, you can see everything's in really good shape with the carpeting. No issues at all. Back of the seat's gonna be a little harder to see with the sun the way it is right now, but it's not all scuffed up. The passenger side, take a look at the passenger seat. Bolsters are in great shape. There's no bolster wear. Get a look from the dashboard from this side. Apologize for the sun coming through, but you can see there's no issues with the dash. Everything's really nice. I'll take a quick look here in the rear trunk area. Everything's really nice. Carpeting's all in like brand new condition. The leather on this rear shelf is in great condition. There's no pulling or shrinkage. All the carpeting up here is really nice. Look underneath the engine bay, under the front bonnet here. Everything's really nice, as you would expect again. All right, now we're out here in the sun. You can see how this paint really pops. It's just absolutely gorgeous. In reality, the video really doesn't even do it any justice. This color is just unbelievably so awesome in the sun. Again, I don't think my video's capturing it as well as I would hope it would. But we'll go back around one more time. All right, I'll give you a quick view here of who we are. Again, we're Marino Performance Motors here in West Palm Beach, Florida. We deal primarily in the upper end exotics and high-end luxury cars. We do tend to do a little bit of everything in between, it seems like at times. But we do a lot of Bentley, a lot of Rolls, a lot of Aston Martin, McLaren, Ferrari. I just got this GTR in. That's all modified. We do a lot of 911 Porsches and AMG GTs, Vipers, another McLaren, Lamborghini Huracan, Another Aston Martin Vantage, BMW Z8, 355 mile 2010 ZR Z06. Another Ferrari, another 911. And we have our back climate controlled warehouse as well. We do some classics. It's a 69 GT 500, 07 Ferrari F430 Coupe, more Bentleys, an old Jag, some odds and ends, Rolls Royce Cullinan, another Bentley, Ferrari 360 Spider with 5,000 miles and a 6-speed manual transmission, which is very rare. Another Rolls, Maybach, another Viper. The convertible Viper there only has 200 miles, 2006. The 13 GTS just sold. We sold the Ferrari 328 that's over here. The NSX is currently on Bring a Trailer right now. But this kind of gives you an idea. You can see who we are and what we typically deal in and sell.